Hi everybody. I wanted to do a quick little video for you guys. I had heard from a lot of you looking for joint support, either for yourself or a loved one or a friend. And I had done a post about a friend of mine, Allison, who had bone on bone in particular and had grown back some cushion and joint support. And I had posted that x-ray, if you remember. So a lot of you saw that and were curious about it. But many of you I didn't know, so you kind of like, who is this stranger telling me about this joint, healing, and what is she using and what is she talking about? So I thought I'd come on here and just share with you a little bit more and a little bit more personally maybe, and then you guys can ask me some questions. But with the joints, we've had so much success. There's really 3 different things that we use. So first of all is collagen. And they do have 2 different kinds depending on what you're looking to do. I really do prefer for joint support the collagen boost that has the astaxanthin in it. And that's what makes it the red color. And astaxanthin is a very strong antioxidant, which antioxidants are very good for cancer prevention, a lot of different things in our body. But specifically, this astaxanthin is good for joints. So the collagen is good, and it's the same in either one. The only thing is that you have to know is the red one, the astaxanthin, has a slight flavor, and the flavor is a little bit fishy. Now, it's never really bothered me because I grew my hair back. It was falling out in handfuls. And once I did that, I didn't care what it tasted like. But I put it in a little bit of water, and I have one of those frothers. I got one for like $6 on Amazon. Frothed it real quick, and I downed the hatch. But this one is completely flavorless. So if you like to put your collagen in coffee or in water and you don't want a flavor, then that's the one you're going to want because it has no taste at all. So collagen is part of what she used. And then the other thing is called Replenix. And there's 2 types of Replenix. One is the extra strength. And that comes in packets like this, or it comes in pill form. This tastes delicious. We call it Grandma's Lemonade. You drink this, and in 15, 20 minutes, you notice a difference in your joints. So with the collagen, you will notice a difference over time. Like my hands don't hurt anymore. With the Replenix, you notice right away. And this is your glucosamine, chondroitin, the MSM. They have a blend, also a proprietary blend that works on swelling and discomfort from swelling. So that's why you feel that relief right away. But it's also building over time. And then there's another supplement. And those are the 2 things that my friend Allison used. There's another supplement also that is called Replenix. But instead of the extra strength, it's called Advanced. And that one is a little bit different. So if you don't need the relief and you're just interested more in the building, then you might want to go with the Advanced. But we've got those 3 different things that work beautifully on joints. And I'm telling you, down to the person, even with just the collagen, if you don't have huge, if you're bone on bone, you need this and one of the Replenix. But if you just have joint pain, your joint pain goes away with the collagen. And I don't care if it's wrists or hands, knees. If it's just some joint pain, the collagen might be enough. But if you are like, I'm going to need some surgery here, or I have carpal tunnel or something like that, you're going to want that and one of the Advanced products. So feel free to ask me any questions. I would just want to give you guys a little bit more detail, and hopefully that helps you feel confident enough to take the plunge. But also, these products are 100% guaranteed. This company wants you to love what you get. They want you to love it. And if you don't, they want to reimburse it or send you something different. They're just fabulous about it. So my name is Carrie. I live in the Chicago area. I am so excited helping people with joints because it's a huge problem with all the inflammation that we have in our world. It's really attacking us there.